Welcome to today's 24-hour global financial update. Today's focus: the probability of a Fed rate cut in September nears 90%. Alibaba launches new chip to challenge Nvidia. And the US revokes equipment licenses for 3 major chip makers in China. US personal spending rose by 0.5% in July, the largest increase in 4 months, indicating resilient demand. However, inflationary pressure remains, with the core PCE price index rising 2.9% year-over-year and one-year consumer inflation expectations climbing to 4.8%. Chinese chip makers are actively developing domestic technologies. Alibaba has launched a new chip to reduce reliance on Nvidia. The US has announced the revocation of exemptions for Samsung, SK Hynix, and Intel to obtain semiconductor manufacturing equipment in China. Starting December 31st, these companies will need approval from the Trump administration. San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly stated that policy recalibration is imminent, hinting at a possible rate cut. She noted that tariffs have pushed up inflation, while the labor market shows signs of weakening, creating tension between the Fed's dual mandates. The U.S. Federal Appeals Court ruled that most of Trump's global tariffs are illegal, but will remain in effect until October 14th to allow time for an appeal to the Supreme Court. The U.S. trade deficit widened to $103.6 billion in July, far exceeding market expectations. Now to the market movements. All 3 major U.S. stock indexes fell. Chip stocks plunged, with the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index down over 3%. The VIX Fear Index rose, the dollar fell for the 4th straight day, gold rose for the 4th consecutive session, crude oil edged down, and Bitcoin fell below 110,000. Key events to watch today. Key data to be released this week include U.S. August non-farm payrolls, ADP employment, ISM manufacturing index, and other economic indicators that may influence the Fed's rate decision. Thank you for watching today's market news. If our information is helpful to you, please hit the like button and follow for daily global market insights. We'll see you next time. Mitrade, for thinkers, not thrill seekers.